News is emerging that uprising dancehall entertainer JashiI arrested on New Year's Day. How you gonna welcome? This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. So, coming up on the scoop for today, news is emerging that dancehall entertainer, the man himself, JashiI, has been taken into custody by the police. While details surrounding the incident is still sketchy up to the publication of this report. However, there is a video of the dancehall entertainer in police handcuff and in a police station somewhere on the island. Well, details surrounding the incident is not clear at this time, but the entertainer took to his Instagram Live in order to post a live video of him in the custody of the police. As you know, Joshi has been the center of a whole controversy based on an interview that he did recently with Entertainment Report with Anthony Miller. And just a day ago, he lost one of his close compatriot of the crew itself, a producer from the crew who produced his song Cream of the Crop, and the dancehall entertainer is still reeling from the effects of that tragedy that actually unfolded in Grand Spain, in which a number of individuals actually took to the streets in order to protest the taking out of that individual who the police stated was a wanted person. As you know, Josh has been the center of focus for the past few weeks, and with his songs blazing the airwaves and garnered a number of fans right across the world so far. Many people are wondering if this is just a target by the police now, based on comments he made recently that the police force is very corrupt and the only thing you need to do is order to palm the hands of these individuals. And that interview right now has gone viral online. So we're about now to provide you with the latest we have in relation to this, and also just to update you as well as it relates to what transpired. We're going to bring you over now to the video that made rounds on social media with Joshi in police custody. So let's go to that right now, right here on Links 007 TV.
You know, hear me?
2022. Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah, thing arrive.
Yeah, on the night, the morning, the New Year morning. So pleasant that I was born. Hey, TV, bye.
You ready?
Alright, then, later.
Mano, o bem se vai fazer a mix mais de episódio mesmo. Tem que vir mais shot round there.
Hello, sir? Yes? Only bro, what do you want to know about him? Yes,
JP99,
maybe that have to go down tomorrow morning, sir. I mean, later because it's after 12 now, so maybe tomorrow morning that. I'll be just meeting here tomorrow morning. No, the person. Miss Brown, you have any bill of
Yeah.
the person who walk up here.
Don't know where I want it. Never have been
Straight. But man, get all fuck you know.
You know what I'm funny?
So charge it for that. Chat the police
I like
man
him
how
up in New Year.
Chat the policeman how long for free man.
Tomorrow morning, because the bill
No, make you come find man. No, make you work. Yeah, man, supposing can go get the JP.
One over there.
So make you never carry ID.
Yeah, I did it.
You carry ID?
No, I'm not his ID. I don't remember.
Film ID. If you did have film ID, you could have get him one
The
shorty.
person who bail him have to have a light bill or water bill supposed to be in there.
I let the JP write a letter saying more. You not to get a picture come right now.
Okay, alright.
No.
I know you not in though, understand me, you said to him, Miss Brown.
If you have a 50,000 and JP
No,
will write
understand.
you up. If you don't pay that bill and water bill in your name, make the JP write a letter saying no, you're where you live.
Okay, so what about my land people?
Eh?
You don't need land
I
title.
shall do this will take up the bike.
Alright, alright.
Clock say him alright.
Okay. No, say back in another night. I knew you were ready. And you have to go get him from the bike, you look.
You don't say me shit in his head.
Make it shitty nice. When cool man them come, they will pay back a feedback from no Rocky Hill. Friend is very really going on me. Alright, one come phone, but check the damn phone. You two take it fling you away. What a night for work. And I work last week Friday, make sure you set myself for work. For this Friday again.
Put on the same video.
Hmm?
I beat the video.
I beat me the pillow.
Come come so laughters na kaya. I want to have more people in my carry again. Like I want to carry more people in around 3 or 4 somebody have come.
Move to your right, to your right.
Good.
Along close to you. Right.
What's the date of birth, Mr. Warren?
14 and number 9,
Motion on about 2000.
Happy New
Well, there you have it. That was the video that made rounds on social media, which depicts someone in handcuff on the live of the dancehall entertainer Joshi on his official Instagram account. But it has not been 100% confirmed that this is actually Joshi, but this video was taken from his official Instagram account, and the fans right now are wondering whether or not this is just a targeted thing now by the police based on comments he made. However, we are going to continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come on this. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless and Happy New Year to you all.